Hi, in front of me is OnePlus 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click while using the app or only this time, and allow. Allow again, and click Home button. Choose iOS Launcher, and decide if you wanna apply it just once or always. I will go for always, so now I have to click Got it. And as you can see, iOS Launcher was applied with success. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!